Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make slime. Okay, now we need a bowl and a spoon. Okay, keep that ready. And we need dish soap. Okay guys, we need dish soap and we need a little bit only. Let me open and pour a little bit. Got it? And we need a little bit. Got it guys? And we need to stir it. Okay, if you want to do even more slime, you can keep even more. Okay, and guys, do not stir it a lot because bubbles will come. Bubbles come, the slime is over. Got it guys? Okay, now I mixed it. Okay, cuss. Okay, now you can see it. Okay guys, so these small bubbles are okay guys. For small bubbles okay, but big bubbles means we can't make a slime guys. Any dish soap, got it? Any dish soap. Okay, and guys, we need any toothpaste guys. Any toothpaste, got it? Any toothpaste, and keep a drop of it. See, just press it. Just how much you will clean your teeth, that much only guys. Okay, and stir it slowly. Okay, stir it slowly, then it will become a little bit white. That's fine. Okay, we just need to stir it and stir it. And now when big bubbles came, nothing will happen. Now big bubbles are coming, right? Okay, it will be this much color. Okay guys, and we need to add a we have to add a very small pinch. Okay, now we need to add a tiny pinch of salt. Any salt, pink salt or white salt. Okay, and guys, if you don't add salt also, it's okay guys. Okay guys, when we don't add salt also okay. Okay guys, and stir it. But if you have salt, you can keep it guys. I also have salt, so I kept it. But if you don't like that strong in your hands, do not keep. But you have to keep the salt, guys. If you don't add salt, then it will not become slime, guys. You need to add salt. If you don't add salt, okay guys. Okay. Now it has to stretch a lot. Got it? It has to stretch a lot. See guys? Got it guys? We have to stretch it a lot. If you want more, you can add more of this and toothpaste also. Boy, 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 boy. Some people will use the whole bottle, but do not waste the soap. Now it will add a little bit color. Okay. Okay. Now we need to add a little bit of this. Got it, guys? Okay, guys. Now just mix it. Just mix it. Now it will stretch a lot. But guys, we have to stir it so much. But when bubbles come, we have to keep popping, guys. See, I'm popping the bubbles. And in the last, it be like this. We have to stir it lot of time, guys. We have to stir it a lot. But when it don't work, guys, you can try it again. For me also, first time it didn't work, guys. The second time it came. It's like very gooey, slimy, putty. Okay, almost done. Okay. Now we need to stir it so much. Got it, guys? And now for 1 day you have to keep it in the deep fridge. Got it? Then it will be hard. Okay. Now add some salt. Just a tiny pinch of it. Enough. Okay. And we need to stir it. And you can see it. When these bubbles come, guys, you have to pop. Okay, guys. We have to keep 1 day or 1 hour. But you should not keep half an hour or half day. You can choose any time, but only 1 hour or 1 day. But it just be stirring. But if it don't work, see, guys, we need to stir it. Be stirring it, and in the last it be like this. Okay, guys. Something color change happened. I think it's something color. It will be light yellow. It's actually like white. It have to be like this. Okay, guys, when it is like this thick, very thick, then you have to keep in the deep fridge, guys. And keeping in the deep fridge, you need to add even more salt. Got it, guys? Now I kept it in the fridge, and I will add one spoon of salt, guys. 1 spoon. Okay. But this small spoon means 1 spoon, but big spoon means half spoon. Got it? But do not keep more, guys. If it bees like water, you need to add a lot of salt, guys. When it bees like water. Also, I will add this much. For me, it's actually like water. 2 spoons. What it is? Wow. When it bees like this, then you have to keep in the deep fridge. Got it?
Wow.
But it should not stretch. You need to keep even more when it is even something. Guys, it will really work, okay? You can try this in your home.
Okay, we go. Now did it your time. Okay.
Ooh, wow.
Go.
Now I am talking about.
We only want teaching water. You can dry it, but there's not okay.
And you should not add any color, guys. You should not add any color. If you want, you can add even more salt. If you add more salt, then color will come, guys. Okay, guys. And guys, after you freeze it, you have to add even more of toothpaste. Any toothpaste is fine. You have to add this much. Okay. After freezing it. After freezing it 1 hour or 1 day. Okay, now I freezed it, guys. Now it's like this. Ooh. What the heck? If it don't come, guys, you have to keep so much time in the fridge, guys. But it will really work. Got it? Okay. But guys, do not never add water, guys. Please do not add water. Okay. That's a fun game. But you have to mix it a lot, guys. But when bubbles come, you have to be popping. Zoom, 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 zoom. Actually, now bubbles will not come at all. you want to check. Bubbles will not come at all. This small white color, if it be some, so okay. Okay guys, mix it a lot and lot and lot and lot and lot and. Okay guys, now it's done like this. Let's find it out. Oops! I think we need to keep some oil. Okay, guys, a pinch of this oil, coconut oil, very pinch, a small. We should not add that much, guys. Only a pinch. And if you have maida means flour you have to add in. See guys, this one maida here. See guys, maida, flour, and we need to add a little bit of it. Okay guys. Okay, it's ready guys. Just close it. Alright. Okay, now it's time to mix it. Time to mix it. If you mix it, it be like this. Okay. Now you have to keep in the fridge for 1 day. Again we have to keep in the fridge for 1 day, not 1 hour this time. Okay, I will keep a little bit, even more. Okay guys, now I will keep in the fridge. Okay guys, good morning. Now let's check our slime. Okay, now after all, the slime will be like this. Okay, now we need to add even more maida. Okay guys. But don't waste maida. We have to do, when your birthday comes, we have to do cake, right? With maida only we will do that. Now just mix it. And in the last it is like this. Okay, now from here you need to mix it. It is very hard guys, but you need to mix it a lot. You have to mix it a lot. Ooh. Okay, mix it a lot. These like and it is a hard one. Oh, it's very hard, guys. Okay, and keep even more maida if you want. If you want to be a little bit like something, you can add how much maida you want when your maida is hot, guys. Okay, now mixing time. It's a mixing time. Oh my god, now it's super hard, guys. It's like chapati dough. Okay, now you can take it a little bit in your hand. Ooh, it's nice. Like Play-Doh. But if it don't come, you need to add a little more maida and keep in the fridge for 10 minutes. For me, it didn't come. It's like something. So, again do that. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe this video and my videos. Okay. Okay, now I kept in the deep fridge, the very cool fridge, not the normal fridge, guys. In a refrigerator, big deep fridge. So that fridge will be very powerful, you know. Okay. And guys, I forgot one thing. Guys, I did an incubator. And it is like this, guys. Incubator. Got it? Now if you want to hatch chicks, you need to keep not sand. You need to keep rice. Okay, you need to keep rice and eggs and a big container, and we need to keep in that container holes. Okay guys, with matches you can keep the holes. Okay guys, and if you want you can add 3D lights. In night the light will on. Okay, and if you want to make a big light, just take a bandage and just round it like this. If you don't want, you can just leave it. And guys, you know I have a very big hen. And this hen, a rooster also can hatch and chick, but the rooster will not put eggs. Only hens can put. Okay, we need a very big container, and we need to add how many eggs you want, and you need to keep your hen on top, and it will hatch. Okay guys. Okay, now this video has been recorded 24 minutes. If you want, you can subscribe the video, click the bell, share it to your friends. Okay guys, and guys, you need to put near the sunlight. Anytime the sunlight comes, you need to put it. Okay, and if you keep putting like this, and in 40 43 days it will hatch, or 28 days it will hatch. You need to keep like this only. We should not open the container. If you, when it hatch a little bit, you have to open the container and just slowly rub your hand like that. You should not take the egg out. You just have to slowly rub your hand like that. Only when it put small crack comes, okay? Or you can take it. But when small crack comes, you should not. Okay. Okay, guys. And if you want, you can keep a big hole and keep a straw and keep blowing if you want. And the side even holes you have to keep, guys. Okay, guys, but you should never ever keep near the light, guys. You just keep in your balcony or something, and it just needs sun, guys, sunlight. Okay, guys, got it. Now let's check our slime. Okay, I'll take it and come. Okay, guys, I took the slime, but what happened? You can try it again. For me, something happened. See, it's like a Play-Doh. If you touch it, nothing is. Got it? See, nothing is. If you want, you can make it, guys. But it will really work. Last time it worked for me. This time it's like a chapati dough. I just kept 5 minutes, guys. That's why this didn't happen, I think. But you can keep for one day and check. Ooh, slimy. Uh-oh. It's like a Play-Doh, guys. A soft variety Play-Doh. This is a sand Play-Doh. We will call it like a sand Play-Doh. Okay. If you like it, you can make it. But it will really work like a slime. It will really stretch for some people. If you keep for one day, that one. Okay. In the fridge, we have to keep one day in the fridge. Yeah, nice, right? But guys, please subscribe this video and my videos. Bye, friends. Bye, friends. Bye, 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 friends. Bye, friends. And guys, do not play with fire, guys. With matchbox, I said, right? Which matchbox?
You can remove it. It's okay, right?
Okay, bye. Okay, it bees like this. And for if you want, if it comes like this, you can again change it to a normal slime. Okay, just take it to your balcony and keep it near that incubator I showed you, right? Your sun shadow. Keep it near your sun shadow. Okay, then it will happen like a slime. Okay, guys. Okay, it's nice this way also. If you don't like it, you can do that. Oh, take it. But do not eat it. Ooh. My brother also likes it.
Eat it.
Yeah, do not eat it.
And then dip a pentaki.
Yeah. And by the way, guys, I am Telugu. నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతా, మా ఇంట్లో మాట్లాడతా. అర్థమైందా? మీరు కూడా తెలుగు అయితే నన్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. And guys, I showed you. If you didn't saw the Rubik's cube 4x4, 5x5, 2x2, 3x3, all the Rubik's cubes I will show in the next video. Got it? And I will also show you.
And then next 20.
Okay. Afterwards, okay, got it, guys. I already kept one video 4x4, how to make 4x4 one side, but 3x3 I know all sides how to make. I will do in the next video, okay guys, tomorrow. Okay, it's very stretchy. It's a little bit stretchy, guys. Very stretchy. Weeka.
They don't get to the yaki dog.
Is it nice?
Baka.
Okay guys, bye friends. Subscribe this video and my videos. Bye. Pick. Bye Chiku. Bye.